Friends, do you want to do some super easy gifts with me? Yes, we are going to make some super easy gifts that are, like, I'm just telling you right now, economical. You can make a whole bunch of them. They're great for like appreciation gifts for like teachers, mail people, nurses. I'm just saying. So buckle up. We are going to have some super fun making some little gifties to give out as appreciation. Okay, so coming up first, we are going to do some adorable little wraps for socks. I got these socks. They're just fuzzy socks. Got them at Target. They were probably, I don't know, $10 to $12 for the pack. You can get this stuff at Dollar Tree. It's fine. I'll show you how I make it super special and gift worthy. Next, we have our socks. I made these cute little, again, I made all of this in Canva and they all match. So this one says a little treat for your tired feet. And I'm going to be making, again, I'm making 12. So I need to have many of these. Again, I'm printing these on the Avery full sheet true block shipping labels. I got them at Staples, I think, but you can get these on Amazon. I am printing on an Epson EcoTank ET4800. It is awesome. I filled this last year. It's awesome for ink, like so awesome for ink. I love it. Okay, friends, let's make these socks super special and give them as a gift. So for this project, I am using a package of socks. I got mine at Target. Again, you can get them anywhere, Walmart, Dollar Tree, whatever. I am printing our little tag thing on these shipping labels, and here they are. It is a full sheet shipping label. You could use sticker paper if you wanted, that would be fine. And then you're just going to trim them down. These are not exact, so I mean, I felt like it looked like it was a little too wide, so I just kept cutting mine down. Do you have to use a paper cutter like mine? No. If you can cut a straight line, hallelujah, go for it. And here's another question, though, I have. Why do they have so many little tags in these socks? I counted like 7 little tags holding these socks together. But this is like Fort Knox of socks. Silliness. Anyways, all right, so for the project, I fold my sock in half. I just double them, fold it in half, take our little printout that we cut down on our sticker paper, take off the backer, which seems like that's the hardest part of this whole project. No, getting the tags off of those socks is the hardest part. Anyways, so then I put where I want my tag to be, and I'm going to flip it over and go 1, and then pull the other one and just meet the edge, and done. Like, it's that easy. Are you kidding me? Look at how fun this is. Could you use a tag instead? Absolutely. The reason why I wanted to use the sticker paper or the full sheet labels is because I wanted to have them not fall apart. So you'll see here, I'm doing the same thing, putting my socks together, fold it in half, get my printout, pull the backer off, and you saw the whole thing. My concern was if I had a tag, it has the possibility of falling off or whatever, versus these stickers, it sticks enough to the sock so that the label stays on, but it doesn't stick so much and it doesn't leave any adhesive residue that you won't have the sock ruined. So that's why I use the shipping label. Look at how fun. And yes, okay, so I'll show you 3 different ones. You could also do these tags with a Christmas theme. Instead of a treat for your tired feet, you could do Merry Sockmas or whatever. Get creative with it. But look at this. I made so many of them in such a short period of time. I love it. Such an easy way to show appreciation or to make a cute gift for someone. Coming up next, we're going to take these kind bars and we're going to wrap them with some adorable little sayings so that it makes it gift worthy. I'm so happy to show you. Kind bars. I did this cute little thing. It's just thanks for being so kind. All I did was measure my kind bar and did a little bit less in the center and then enough to wrap around it. To print on this, we're going to be using the Avery full sheet. So it's an 8.5 by 11 inch shipping label with true block. And we're going to print as many as you need to make your basket. This is the printout. I made these in Canva, super easy. And then I'm using kind bars because they're healthy, yet they're sweet. Hooray. Now I'm going to use my cutter and cut down each of the little sticker things. Do you have to use a cutter like this? No. If you can cut a straight line, go for it. Show off. Because I can't cut a straight line for anything, even when there's a line for me to follow. Tell me in the comments if you're the same way. Silliness. Anyways, you'll see what we're doing here. We're just cutting down all of the little pieces parts. Do you have to use shipping labels? No, you do not. You could use sticker paper. You could use, goodness, you could even make these into tags and tape them on. Whatever you want. Get creative. But here they are. All you're going to do is take the backer off. I center mine onto my little bar. Again, if you wanted to just cut out that little center part, you could. But I like wrapping it because now I know it's not going to fall off when it goes into the basket with the other goodies that we have. And look at this. Are you kidding me? I did so many of them. You could give these out to nurses or your mail person or teachers, or put them in a fun little gift bag for somebody you love. Look at how cute they are. I love them. Coming up next, we're going to make these pens. So simple, but we're going to make them into a super cute appreciation gift. For the pens, I have these cute, just two different sayings. One says Stu-pen-dous, the other says incredible. And I'm going to print out again. This is just going to be printed out on cardstock. I have these pens. I got them from Five Below. You could use any pens. It works best if they have a cap or they have one of those little clips. And then I have on cardstock, I printed these cute little Stu-pen-dous or incredible. So much fun. So all I'm going to do is cut them down. When I cut these down, you just want to make sure that there's more space above the Stu-pen-dous or incredible. You want to make sure that there's more on the top than there is underneath it. And the reason why is because we're going to pop a hole in our card and we're going to put the pen on the top, right? I'm using a little hole punch, and all I'm going to do is pop a hole right about the top of where the incredible is. And then I'm going to just take that clip and put it in the hole. Ta-da! What? I know. These are so much fun. Listen, if you're a pen freak like I am, this just makes me smile all day long. Look at how fun. These would be great for nurses or teachers or teacher aides or mail people. I mean, come on, anybody that uses pens, really. I mean, and they're adorable. Last up in our appreciation gift basket, I'm going to show you how I take these chapsticks and I'm going to make little cards for them. Friends, this is so easy. I'm so excited. Okay, so I made little tags that say, "You are the balm. We appreciate all you do." I made this in Canva. I am now going to print it from a PDF, and I'm going to print it on my Epson. I'm just using cardstock. That's all we're doing here. I'm just going to print that out. So for this, we're going to use chapstick. I got some of these on clearance. I got them at Dollar General. You can get them at Dollar Tree. And then I have these cute little tags that I made in Canva, printed on cardstock. We're going to first cut down our little tags. I have my cute little cutter that I've had for years. If you can cut a straight line, then use scissors. It's fine. And I'm just going to cut them down. See? Easy enough. Do you have to use cardstock? I would say yes. Cardstock is probably going to be your better bet, only because you need something a little stronger than regular paper, right? And so here we have our card. Now we're going to take, now I have a ruler. This is one of two ways you can do it. This is the fussy way. I took my ruler and I'm just cutting with my X-Acto knife about 2 inches up, and then I'm going to go on either side of the ruler just so that it's kind of straight. And so you'll have about an inch wide cut. There it is, right? And then we're going to take our little chapstick and we're going to fit it in between those cuts. Adorable, right? Now listen, if you've got a lot of them like I did, I just didn't have time to do all of the fussiness. So I just took my X-Acto knife and slice, put the chapstick in, bingo, bango, we're done, right? Nobody's going to know. It's fine that you didn't measure, right? Look at how cute these are though. What? Such good gift ideas. You could use them for any season. Here we are putting them in the basket with all of the other little treaties that we made. How much fun. Oh, I love it. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you. Well, there you have it, friends. We did several things that you could do easily, and it won't break the budget. Doesn't take a lot of time, but wow, will the person receiving these little gifties feel so special? I mean, really, I'd love to. Might make one for myself. I'm just saying. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Crazy Pants DIY fun. Thanks again, friends, so much for joining me. And until next time.